Before getting into our favorite fishing drone, we tested so many electronic drones and then came up with the list of the best fishing drones. Moreover, our honest opinion on all the products, and we tried to get the best fishing drone 2022 with extra features for your convenience. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The first one on our list is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro RC quadcopter with a 4K HD camera, 128GB memory, tracking system, and so much more. The device comes with obstacle sensors and takes HD images, making it one of the best drones for fishing that you can buy. The Mavic Pro 2 is a dedicated fishing drone with a Hasselblad L1D 20C camera, a 20MP camera, and a 1 CMOS sensor. The 1-inch 20MP CMOS camera allows you to capture high-definition shots and detect everything around your surroundings when scouting for fish. The DJI Mavic 2 gives you minutes to fly up to 31 minutes with a maximum speed of 44 RPM. It has a takeoff weight of 907 g and has a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, allowing you to take stable and steady shots in the air. It also comes with a 2.0 active track system that ensures precise location tracking and safe return and has obstacle sensors. Moreover, the device has an adjustable aperture, and the remote control offers 135 minutes of battery backup. The device has 8GB internal storage capacity and 128GB SD card supporting capability. It also has an intelligent flight battery which ensures proper battery usage, and also smart battery management provides longer runtime. It also comes with a gimbal protector to protect it from any fish bites, 3 extra propellers, and a charger. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Fishing Drone. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is a 3 pounds 2160p video capturing fishing drone with a machinal shutter and state-of-the-art guiding system. If you are searching, what are the best drones for fishing? The DJI Phantom 4 Pro fishing drone is an excellent choice. This fishing drone has a 3-axis gimbal and a 1-inch 20MP CMOS camera sensor. Moreover, it also has a machinal shutter which ensures no rolling shutter distortion while taking a picture or video. The drone has 72 km/h speed with an 8 km transmitting capacity, making it one of the best fishing drones. The drone has a wide range of 8 km, ensuring the device's safety even in long range. Moreover, due to the OcuSync 2.0 frequency auto-switching feature, you can transmit your direction to the drone no matter how far it is in the water. It also offers intelligent flight modes with active track, draw mode, which helps create a specific flight path, tap fly, and gesture mode. You are also getting sensors all around the device, and the downward sensors help stabilize the drone and allow you to fly at a low altitude. It is also compatible with most Android and iOS devices, delivers 4K UHD videos at 2160p, and has an extended flight time of 31 minutes to flight in total. The remote controller comes with a smartphone holder and provides a stable connection even in long range. You are also getting a gimbal clamp, a microSD card, 32GB, and 4 extra propellers. Number 3. Potensic Dreamer. The Potensic Dreamer is a 4K resolution, high response, and one of the best fishing drones under $500. You can take 3840 by 2160 photos with the drone and also in 4K. It comes with 1/3 CMO Sony sensors and has an auto-exposure feature that makes every image clear and bright. It also has anti-shaking, which reduces vibration while taking a mid-air picture or video. The camera is convenient, especially if you are looking to use it for your fishing trips. The ultra-smooth images allow you to locate and catch a fish easily. The drone also has a 3000 mAh 4S drone battery which ensures low power consumption without sacrificing the perks. Moreover, the brushless motors are very powerful, and you can easily carry a fish from the water. Both the motor and battery combination gives you an extended flight time of 31 minutes. The Potensic Dreamer electric fishing drone can instantly burst out triple power under 0.1 seconds with the new PowerPC dynamic system. However, you are getting the best performance with the triple power, even if the speed is 10 mph. The drone is very stable and withstand a level 3 wind and work and should be at 0 to 40 degrees temperature. The thing which is very impressive about the fishing drone that is it is quick to assemble, even with so many cool features. You also do not have to calibrate it within the 300 kilometers. Moreover, it also has an intuitive and safe pilot app that allows you to switch it to autopilot, let the drone hover on a place, and release the reel to catch fish. You are also getting the Follow Me feature, circle flight, precious altitude flights, and headless mode, all at an affordable price. Number 4. DJI Mavic Mini. The DJI Mavic Mini is one of the best budget fishing drones in 2021, with a 12MP camera and 3-axis gimbal. You are getting a high-quality drone in just under $400, one of the best cheap fishing drones in 2021 on the market, but also the device is very durable and can go through rough usage. The Mavic Mini is one of the most compact drones for fishing on our list by far, with features such as being lightweight and being able to carry twice its size. The entire drone weighs around 0.55 pounds or 250 grams. It is primarily for video and image capturing, but you can also use it for fishing, such as scouting and locating fishes, bait release, and so on. It can capture 12MP aerial pics, and video recordings are at 2.7K HD. The lenses are smooth, precise, and take ultra-smooth images. Moreover, you are also getting a 3-axis motorized gimbal for extra stability while taking a shot. Although the Mavic Mini is lightweight and most of its battery usage is for flying and camera usage, they did not compromise battery life. Moreover, you are getting 30 minutes of flight time with the device. We recommend the drone as it is the best cheap drone in 2021 by far. However, you are paying for the camera and its payload capacity and speed. Number 5. DJI Phantom 3. The DJI Phantom 3 is a best budget fishing drone with 4K video recording equipment and a stabilizing 3-axis gimbal, which gives the best aerial pictures and videos that you can take even in high winds. It has a vision positioning system that ensures safety while flying close to the ground. The lens is 20mm wide-angle prime, which gives a maximum range of view on the field. Moreover, you get 4K UHD video recording cameras and a 720p app-based video monitor system on the controller. It also has LED lights for different types of indications. The overall camera and the display make it the perfect drone for scouting for fishes in the water. You are also getting 2 extra batteries with the package, and the remote control is rechargeable. It also comes with a vision sensor that allows you to detect objects and quickly do a 360 degrees turn if necessary. Moreover, you are also getting an extended flight time of 23 minutes, which is better than the previous version of the Phantom series. It comes with 3 cameras that capture footage at 2.7K, 1520p at 30 fps or 24 fps, and the bitrate is 40 megabits per second. The standard recording goes up to 48 fps at 1080p resolution, however, you can record at 50 or 60 fps on 720p resolution. Moreover, with the 20mm camera, you are getting 94 degrees of the field of view.